Head of Research at Own Capital. Thank you so much to the both of you for joining in. Rajesh, I'm going to speak to you first before we do anything else on ITC Hotels. What did you make of the price discovery that has taken place, and would you be a buy in ITC right now?
Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Vaishali. ITC Hotel, the listing price was disappointing, I would say, because we have expected it to list at 200 plus levels, but due to market conditions, maybe it listed at around 175, 180 odd rupees. But going by the fundamentals, it's a buy from our side. It's a very strong brand, I would say, with they are operating to 6 distinctive brands. So market cap maybe around at this level would be 36 to 37,000 odd crores. That's cheap considering the fact that the kind of growth this company has given, the double-digit CAGR growth on revenue, EBITDA, EBIT, all levels, the company has been doing well. Average room rent have gone up from 7,900 in FY19 to 12,000 currently. And they have 140 hotels into 90 destinations, which they are planning to increase to around 200 properties, 18,000 keys by 2030. The growth plans are good. The company is doing well. It's a strong brand. I think it's a buy from our side. This kind of listing is just because of market condition. Otherwise, it deserves a better price.
So this kind of condition is just because of the market condition. This kind of listing is just because of the market condition, is the view coming in from Rajesh. And also, the valuation picture was quite high for ITC Hotels, which is why we're seeing hotels got demerged and got listed today and got listed around at a 31% discount. And this is only because of the overvaluations for the company. But in terms of the guidance given by the company in its presentation, it had said that it's going to do overall 186 hotels by FY30. But we spoke to the management today. Our reporter Agnidev spoke to the management today, Mr. Sanjeev Puri, and he said that they're going to do 200 hotels by the end of FY30. So listen into a chunk of that.
What we had said is that we will provide liquidity to the company to take care of their growth aspirations for the next 2 to 3 years. Of course, it generates its own free cash flows on it because it's doing extremely well. And also, you know, it's a debt-free balance sheet with net worth of about 10,000 crores. So it's a very strong balance sheet. It has the capacity to raise capital on its own. But 1,500 is being provided for about, the growth plans for the next couple of years. And we're infusing this because we realize that this industry is only going to accelerate over time. And we want the company to be well equipped to be able to invest for the future, invest when there is a great opportunity at hand.
Right, sir. And what part of the management contracts, what percentage of management contracts are made up in the total revenue for ITC Hotels?
We've already said that 45% of our inventory is in the owned space and 55% inventory is in the managed space at this point in time. As we go forward, we are aspiring to be about 200 hotels with 18,000 keys in the next couple of years, which will be about 35% in the managed side and 65% in the managed side.
And sir, what's the occupancy rate so far for the 9 months ended FY25?
We've delivered the results for the first 2 quarters, so you can have a look at that. I cannot give you the guidance for the quarter 3 right now. The results have not been announced. Yeah.
Okay, that is part of a slightly longer conversation that was had with those two gentlemen, and some part of what was said, of course, what you should focus on is what Mahima just pointed out to you, which is that the plan was 186 hotels. They've now said 200, so that's already higher than that was anticipated. And they're saying they're opening 1 hotel every month at this juncture. So capacity is being built very quickly. I know I asked you this, Rajesh, at the start of the program about ITC Hotels, but based on the information that we've just gathered and what the company management has said, do you want to add something? Would you be a buyer at this juncture?
Yes, Alex, I have given a buy call in a starting conversation. I'm still stick to my statement that it's a buy at this juncture. The valuations are very good. Maybe it might look strange at this point of time, but at 37,000 odd crore market cap, debt-free balance sheet, adding 1 hotels every month, target of 200 hotels by 2030. it's a strong buy from our side. Maybe some amount of correction here and there or the consolidation might take place for some long period of time, but ultimately 2 years down the line, it would be give you a good return, I would say.
Uh,